10th one. The line through the points H3 and 4, 1 intersects the line at right angle. Find the value of H. So line passing through 2 points, suppose this is the line passing through 2 points H3 and 4, 1. This line intersects the line at right angle. So this line intersects this line 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0 at right angles. That means the angle between them is 90 degree. So that is what given. We have to find the value of H. So if two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes equal to -1. So we can find the slope of both the lines. So slope of the line passing through these 2 points equal to slope of line through H3 and 4, 1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 1 minus 3 divided by 4 minus h. That is equal to minus 2 by 4 minus h. Minus 2 divided by 4 minus h. Now slope of this line, that is equation of line is given. From that we can find the slope. So slope of the other line, that is slope of 7x minus 9y minus 19 equal to 0 equal to, that is minus a by b, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So minus 7 by minus 9, that is 7 by 9. So we got the slope of both the lines, and since the lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes equal to -1. So we can apply that condition and we can find the value of h. Therefore m1 into m2, product of the slopes equal to -1. So slope of one line is -2 by 4 minus h. So we can write m1, slope of one line, that is -2 divided by 4 minus h into slope of the other line, that is 7 by 9 into 7 by 9 equal to -1. So using that condition we can find the value of h. Therefore negative we can here multiplication. So minus we can cancel from both sides. So 14 equal to cross multiply 9 into 4 minus h, we can multiply this side. So 9 into 4 minus h, cross multiplying. So that is equal to, therefore 14 equal to 36 minus 9h. Therefore 9h equal to, therefore 9h equal to 36 minus 14. That is equal to 22. Therefore h equal to 22 by 9. So value of h is 22 by 9. So we got the value of h. Now we can do 11th one. Prove that the line through x1, through the point x1, y1 and parallel to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is this. So we know one point on the line, that is x1, y1. And we know that line is parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first we can find the slope of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is minus a by b. That is a formula to find. If the equation of line is given, we can find the slope of the line minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So this is the slope of this line, given that the line through x1, y1 parallel to this line. So if the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Therefore slope of the required line, therefore slope of required line is equal to minus a by b, same, because they are parallel. And that this line, required line, passes through x1, y1. Required line passes through x1, y1. So we can apply the formula to find the equation of this line. We know point and slope. So we can apply point slope form. So that is y minus y1. So equation of the line. Question is the line through this and parallel to that is, that means equation of that line is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. Now we can find the equation of line. Therefore equation of line is y minus y1. y1 is same. y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So x1, y1 same point and slope m we can substitute minus a by b. Therefore equation of line we can write y minus y1 equal to m. In the place of m we can write minus a by b into x minus x1. Now we can simplify. So cross multiplying. So by b we can cross multiply this side. So b into y minus y1 equal to minus a into x minus x1. Therefore, we can take that term to left side. So we can write this minus become plus. So a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. So that is what we want to prove. Prove that the line through this point and parallel to that is a into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the line. So we got the same. Now see question number 12. Two lines passing through 2, 3 intersects each other at M at an angle of 60 degree. If the slope of one line is 2, find the equation of the other line. So first we will find the slope of the other line, then we will find the equation of the other line. So two lines, these are the lines L1 and L2, and given that two lines passing through 2, 3, so both the lines pass through the point 2, 3, that means that point is the intersection point. So this 2, 3, both the lines passing through this 2, 3 intersect each other at an angle of 60 degree. Therefore, angle between these two lines is 60 degree. That is given, and slope of one line is m. So we can, slope of one line is 2. So m1 we can take as 2, and m2, slope of the second line, or this one m1 equal to 2. Slope of the second line we can take m. Slope of line one line we can take 2. That is given. Slope of one line is 2. Find the equation of the other line. So slope of the other line we take m, and we have to find the equation of other line. That means we have to find the equation of L2. So first we will find the slope of line L2, then we can find the equation of line L2. One point given, common point is given, then using this angle we can find the slope of the line L2. So we can use this formula, tan theta equal to m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Then theta, angle between the lines, is 60 degree, that is given. So tan 60 equal to m2 minus m1. m2 is m, m1 is 2. So m minus 2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, 2m, modulus value. And tan 60 root 3 equal to modulus of m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2m. Now we have to consider, when the modulus value is root 3, we have to consider both cases. That is plus or minus we have to consider. Therefore m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2m equal to plus or minus root 3. See, if modulus x equal to 1, x can be plus or minus 1. So modulus of x is equal to 1. That means x can be plus 1 or minus 1. So we have to consider both the cases. So modulus of this is equal to root 3 means inside the modulus m minus 2 by 1 plus 2m can be plus root 3 or minus root 3. So both the cases we have to consider, and we have to find consider both the equations we have to find. So in two cases we get two values of m, and corresponding to each m we have to find the equation of line. So first we will consider one case. So let m minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2m equal to positive root 3, and we will find the slope of the second line m. The slope of second line m we will find. So here cross multiplying m minus 2 equal to root 3 into 1 plus 2m. So m minus 2, 1 plus 2m into root 3. That is therefore m minus 2 equal to root 3 into 1, root 3 plus root 3 into 2, 2 root 3 m. Therefore take m this side and root 3 this side. Otherwise we can consider m minus 2 minus root 3. So m minus 2 root 3 m. 2 root 3 m we can take this side. So m minus 2 root 3 m equal to root 3 plus 2. This m minus 2 root 3 m equal to root 3 plus 2. So m into 1 minus 2 root 3 equal to root 3 plus 2. Therefore m equal to root 3 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 root 3. So we got the one value of m. Similarly, you have to consider m minus 2 by 1 plus 2m equal to minus root 3 and find the m. and in each case find the equation of the line. Now we want to find the equation of the line. So we know one point, 2, 3, and we know slope. Point slope form we can use. So therefore equation of the line. Therefore equation of the line is equation of second line. Y minus y1, x1, y1, 2, 3. So y minus 3 equal to slope root 3 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 root 3 into x minus x1. x1 is 2. Now we have to simplify. Therefore, cross multiply 1 minus 2 root 3 into y minus 3 into 1 minus 2 root 3 equal to root 3 plus 2 into x minus 2 into root 3 plus 2. Root 3 plus 2 into x minus root 3 plus 2 into minus 2 into root 3 plus 2. So just opening the bracket, this 1 minus 2 root 3 we cross multiply this side. So 1 minus 2 root 3 into y minus 3. So first multiply y into y minus 3 into 1 minus 2 root 3. Opening the bracket. Now root 3 plus 2 into x. Then minus 2 into root 3 plus 2. Now we can write in the form x term, y term, constant term. So we can write here 1 minus 2 root 3 into y. Then we can take this term to left side. So become minus 2 plus root 3 into x. Take this x term to left side. And we can take constant term to right side. So that is equal to this term we can take the right side. 3 into 1 minus 2 root 3. Here minus 2 into root 3 plus 2. Now simplify here, we get 3 into 1, 3 minus 6 root 3. Minus 2 into root 3, minus 2 root 3, minus 4. So 3 minus 4, that is 3 minus 4 minus 1, minus 1 minus 8 root 3. Minus 1 minus 8 root 3. So now we can write this x term, y term constant term. First we can write x term, then write y term, then write constant term. So we get the equation of the line. Similarly, consider the other case, find m, then similarly find the equation of the line. So two values we get.